thank you so much for watching today's video. I am super excited about this one. I'm going to start things off with the Imida single pre-fan individual lashes. These are 15 millimeters in length, 0.7 in thickness, and they are a level D curled. Now I also wanted to include this chart here just so you guys can have an idea of what I'm using today, and I really hope that this also helps. For today's glue, I will be using the Calistic long-lasting eyelash adhesive. This is actually made for cluster lashes, however I will be using it for today's video. It's supposed to last 48 hours and it is a bit stronger than the regular strip lash adhesive. Now there are two possible tweezers that you could be using. The pointed tweezer is great for isolation and this can also help you create layers. The L tweezer will be great when dealing with any fans that you have because it will give you a better grip. Last but not least, you are definitely going to need some mascara wand. This is going to help you blend in the lashes as well as clean your lashes. The first step you want to do is go ahead and make sure that your natural lashes are nice and clean before you apply the eyelash glue. That way you're not applying on oil and dirt and you actually only need a thin layer of the glue. Now that I'm ready to apply the individual lashes by Imida, I'm going to apply it at the outer corner of my eyes first and then work my way in. I want to go ahead and apply them close to each other so I can avoid creating any sparse areas. This step is fairly straightforward. I am just going to continue applying the individual lashes underneath my natural lashes. I am not too worried about the placement of the lashes, for the glue is not a professional glue. I highly suggest to use your tools to support your lashes by pushing upwards, and what I'm also going to do is go ahead and take this mascara wand and brush out my lashes just so I can make sure everything is nice and blended. If you enjoy wearing natural lashes, I highly suggest it to leave it like this. For me, I really enjoy volume lashes, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply these cluster lashes by Boulder Mincer. It comes in 84 pieces, it is 14 millimeters in length, 0.7 in thickness, and it is a level D curl. I'm going to take the glue and only apply it at the very bottom of the pre-fan lashes and then start applying these cluster lashes directly underneath the pre-fan lashes. This is going to allow you to create a lot of volume and density. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like on one eye. I will go ahead and finish up the other eye in just a moment. I just wanted to say thank you all for subscribing to my channel. You guys are amazing, and if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I will be posting some more lash videos, and I hope you guys have a good day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!